A very warm welcome to all of the students who have joined our reputed institute, Graphic Era deemed to be university. Myself, Ms. Sarishma, who is serving as the ACM faculty coordinator as well as the assistant professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So today we are going to go through the student chapter discussion. What are we offering in the ACM student chapter and how it is going to benefit you. A little bit of information about the activities. Starting from the very introduction of ACM, ACM stands for Association for Computing Machinery, and it is a global community which represents the professionals, especially majorly from the computer science engineering background. So all of those computing professionals and students come together and they collaborate on one platform. So they have nearly 100,000 members in more than 170 countries, interacting with more than 2 million computing professionals worldwide. So the major aim of becoming a part of the student chapter is to increase your skills of collaboration, increase your skills of networking, to get to know your peers, to get to participate in special interest groups where you can interact and exchange your ideas and maybe work on dedicated topics. We feel a little bit powerless and lost when we are working alone, but if you associate yourself with one of the leading chapters, student chapters, you get to connect with a lot more people who will nurture you to the best possible ability of theirs in the area which you choose. So the mission for ACM is we help computing professionals to be the best and most creative. We connect them to their peers, toward the latest developments, and inspire them to advance the profession and make a positive impact on society. The vision for ACM is we see a world where computing helps solve tomorrow's problems, where we use our knowledge and skills to advance the computing profession and make a positive social impact throughout the world. For ACM, if you consider it on a global scale, you will find out that there are around about 100,000 members who are associated with this chapter. So it is a global society. Majority of the people are from United States with 11% representation from India. And if we break up the pool of membership, we find that there are 70% professionals and 30% students. Whereas for practitioner and researcher community, we have 50-50% partnership. So as you can look at this number, when you will be participating, you will be going for the student membership. And once you go for the student membership, you get in touch with the professional community, practitioner community, as well as the research community. So the networking really goes out of the scope. It will open a lot more horizons for you to collaborate and to access the resources. ACM also offers regional councils in different other countries. There are professional memberships, there are student memberships, there are student chapters, professional chapters. There are special interest groups for different activities. Along with this, they offer major conferences which are held throughout the world, and they are very much specific towards their scope. Apart from the conferences, they offer some awards as well. So there is ACM AM Turing Award, there is Abel Prize for Mathematics, there is Fields Medal in Mathematics, Nevanlinna Prize in Mathematical Aspects of Information Science. Apart from this, they have 36 special interest groups which you can go and explore the title of those groups, and you can find out if you find something interesting, so you can associate with that group. There are more than 50 dedicated publications. There are 50 tracks of journals under different topics, right? So they have like very dedicated publications which can make you more creative and inquisitive and make you think on the innovative part to go towards the technical dimension. As for the ACM chapters, they are called as local neighborhoods of ACM, right? And they're offering around about 200 professional chapters along with 800 student chapters. So at Graphic Era, we have a student chapter where we offer the students to lead from the front. We are going to make you the leaders for collaboration, for event organization, for ideation, and most importantly for personal nurturing, where you will be polished as an individual to command that responsibility of conducting an event, to command that responsibility for representing your student chapter in the entire university. Apart from this, if you dedicatedly want to read the benefits of becoming a part of the student chapter, you can visit the link www.acm.org/chapters. As for student chapters, when you buy the membership, it is around about 1475 rupees for India. Once you buy the membership, you're going to get a 3-month complimentary subscription to one of the ACM memberships, to one of the ACM publications. You will also get one of the email forwarding address which you have to request. You will get access to an electronic subscription of XRDS, which is again one of their magazines, and a student magazine. Apart from this, you also get a lot of information about other student chapters which are going on worldwide, and you can participate and collaborate with them as well. If you are a member of the ACM student chapter, then you also get access to student awards and competitions. There are primarily 4 key competitions which are held by ACM. So the first one is for International Collegiate Programming Contest, where you can participate as a college student. Second is Student Research Competition. Third is Student Chapter Excellence Awards. So as a chapter, we will be contesting here. And lastly, we have Upsilon Pi Epsilon ACM Student Scholarship Award. The details are again available on the internet. You can read and you can then target whatever you want to compete for. For the Graphic Era, especially for the Graphic Era student chapter, we have more than 50+ members from our university, and we have dedicated positions to handle the working of this chapter. So we have chair for ACM, vice chair, secretary, webmaster, treasurer, membership chair, and other team members who are responsible for organizing all of these events. And all of these positions are held by students. So you can be one of the students who are going to take over the responsibility for any of these positions. And these positions are allotted on a rotation basis depending upon your performance. And again, as I mentioned, you will be leading from the front. So we need people, who really want to step up their game, who want to evolve, and who want to nurture themselves personally. These are the positions which are there. The seniors, your seniors are currently holding these positions. So once they pass out, the baton will be passed on to you. So you can participate. But first of all, you will need a membership, a student chapter membership for ACM. You need to visit this dedicated website to register. Many a times this is observed that, sometimes students face problem in buying the membership. That is because of the particular reason that India falls in the developing countries section. That is why we get the membership at a little bit of discounted prices, and for that you will have to particularly go to this website, this link which I have mentioned over here, and then you have to fill in the details and choose student membership. For any problems or any issues, you can contact Ms. Diksha Bisht for any assistance. She is currently the chair for ACM, and she is going to help you in all of that matter. Once your payment is done, once you have bought the student membership, then you can email at acm.geu@gmail.com along with your unique member ID. Please make sure that you note down that member ID, because that is what is going to help us in identifying you as a person who has bought the membership, and then we are going to connect you to our student chapter, the Graphic Era student chapter, right? For any queries, again, you can reach us out at acm.geu@gmail.com, and we would be happy to help. So I hope it helped you, right? And we would be honored if you choose us, and if you choose to become a part of this student chapter. I can assure you that you will be nurtured to the best possible ability of ours. We are a very holistic, very inspired, and very down-to-earth team who really believes in nurturing one another through collaborative effort, and we keep on learning as we go. So you will find a very lively and very warm environment to grow yourself as an individual. So that is all from my side. Wishing you all the best, and wishing you and hoping that you will be there in our chapter, right? Thank you very much.